Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem Decathlon points in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on decathlon.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. You can also follow the same steps inside your Decathlon mobile application. Now, when you log in, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, click on the option of profile. Now here, when you are in the profile section, you will see the membership account. So when you click on the membership account, you are going to see all of the points that are basically available in your account and that can be redeemed. So in order to redeem your points, right next to it, you are going to see the redeem option. So you just have to click on that redeem option and then follow further on screen instructions in order to basically add the product in your cart. Then proceed to checkout and select loyalty points and the voucher redemptions. So this discount should automatically applied if it is eligible. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.